Did you guys see that? Let's check it out again. Notice the blue color gradually changing when the white paper comes on top of it. Now, if you guys are wondering, yes, it's a controlled environment, nothing has changed, so lighting is the same, all the settings are the same, but our perception of color changes depending on the context. And having that in mind will help you in your color grading process. What's up guys, I'm Neat, and today let's talk about 3 things you need to know before you start color grading. And hey, if you're into that kind of stuff, that good stuff, subscribe and tap the like button, and I promise you, your life is gonna be full of color again. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, before you color grade as a beginner, you need to get familiar with color theories. Which makes sense because you're gonna manipulate colors to help you tell your story. And talking about color theories, I mean, there's a lot of theories that can help you, but I'm gonna mention some of them today, so hopefully you're gonna find value in this video. And one of them is, of course, what we saw in the beginning of this video. You know, colors look different depending on other colors around them or just the overall environment. Actually, colors can be broken down into 3 things. There is the hue, that's the color we see, like blue, red, purple, and so on and so forth. And then there is the saturation, or chroma, which I found out it's a Greek word. You know, it means color. When we talk about saturation, we talk about the intensity of the color. So it simply means more or less of a particular hue, because we literally talk about hue, right? And so there is hue, there is the color, and there is saturation. Saturation, intensity, more red, more blue, less blue, and all that stuff. Then we have brightness, aka value. And it's pretty straightforward because we're talking about the lightness or the darkness of a hue. You know what, the best way I can show you guys how it works is actually in Photoshop. So let's go to Photoshop. This is the color picker in Photoshop, and you can see here we have H for hue, S for saturation, and B for brightness. And then you have your primary colors, which is red, green, and blue. So let's click on hue to take an example, and you can see this bar right here is where you pick your hue. And let's slide this down here, and let's say we want this bluish teal color, and the hue value is at 205. And check this out guys, no matter where you pick in this square, the hue stays the same. The saturation changes, the brightness changes, the amount of red, green, and blue changes, but it's the same hue. Same hue, not same hue, same hue, yeah. So anywhere we click in this square, it looks different, but it's actually the same hue. So color, hue, saturation, and brightness. That's what makes a color. Now there's a lot more stuff that we can talk about when it comes to color, but there is another thing that you need to know before you start color grading. Okay, so here it is. You need to use a reliable monitor. If your computer screen, your monitor is not going to give you accurate colors, I guarantee it. You will be disappointed.
Guarantee. Uh-oh.
So here are a couple things that you guys can do to help you. Go to your display settings and turn off all the options that will affect the colors on your screen. So True Tone, turn it off. I personally even turn off night shift, so yes, anything that will alter the colors, turn it off. That's for your screen. But that brings us to the 3rd tip. Here it is. Get rid of anything that will affect your eyes or the way you see colors. So yeah, you work on the screen first, but also you need to work on your eyes. Have you tried looking into a bright color and then you close your eyes and you can still see that color? You need to color grade in a color neutral space. So get rid of all the LED lights with different colors, the RGB lights. This will not help you. Like red, blue, green, all that stuff. This will not help you. And that's it. If you guys got any value from this video, go check out these tips on color grading, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.